How to export passports as a CSV file on Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily export your passwords on Google Chrome. First thing first, open up your Google Chrome application. Then you're going to have to go to the settings menu by tapping on the three lines and then scroll down until you find settings. Once you are on the settings menu, head over to autofill and password. Then go to Google Password Manager. Now here you'll be able to see all of your saved passwords. And if you want to export them, go ahead and click on the settings menu at the left side of your screen. And then here you have an option to export passwords. So click on download file. It will create a CSV file for you. But before that, just enter your security PIN and then it will show you your downloads. So let me just save this. On my downloads, click on save. Now you have successfully exported this. And if you want to import it on any other browser, you can do that by selecting import passports. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically export passwords on Google Chrome. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.